Hello everyone, welcome back to Cooking with Donna. Today we're making some Beanie Weenies. Struggle meal. A lot of kids like hot dogs, pork and beans. But we're going to get started. Everything you need for this recipe, the ingredients will be in the description box, okay? Here in my pan I have a tablespoon. You can use butter for more richness. You can use oil. I'm using bacon grease. Just a tablespoon. I got me some hot dogs, thinly sliced. And we're going to fry these up just until we get them a little brown, and it'll just flavor those beans some more. So we'll get those fried up. Okay, y'all, I didn't have my mic on a while ago. I don't know if you heard anything when I was adding. Um, like I said, it's all in the description box. I'm so sorry. I don't know if it's going to pick up or not. Um, I did forget to add the mustard. That's going to be in the description box. You're going to be adding uh, the mustard to it. So let's get this. My oven's preheated. Let's get this poured in. And we're going to bake this covered just until it slightly thickens, maybe 30 to 35 minutes. Just depends on how thick or sticky or runny you want it. But you want to give those hot dogs time to get tender and release all their flavor and absorb some of that bean juice there. Okay. We'll get it covered with foil into the oven and we'll be back. We're having ours with some mac and cheese and some cornbread and some kind of vegetable. I don't know. But we will see. We'll be back with the presentation here in a little bit. Okay, friends, there's the Beanie Weenies. Mine baked for 40 minutes. Then I removed the foil, and I like to broil it a little bit, maybe 5 to 8 minutes, but keep an eye on it if you do it that way. Now, you bake it to the consistency of your juices that you want. I like mine fairly thick. But it's a cheap meal, like I said. And I know most of my kids and family love this with macaroni. I was going to do vegetables, but my cornbread's not done yet. But I'll show you how we're going to serve it. Just a simple little box of macaroni and cheese with it, right? Kids love it. And we'll get some of our Beanie Weenies out. Let me show these to y'all so you can see how thick mine are. See there? See that? Delicious. Get this out of the away. And there you have it. Some Beanie Weenies and some mac and cheese. Make you up some vegetables if you'd like. You could put more hot dogs into this if you would like. I put up 6 of them in there, I believe. But there it is. I'm going to try it with y'all. But I already know what it tastes like. But it's like comfort food, especially if you grew up on it. But I hope you guys give it a try. And if you're new to the channel, please like, subscribe, and share. And help get me out there. It's much appreciated. And I hope y'all make some of this up. I'm sure the kids will love it. And until next time, we will see y'all later. Take care of one another. Love one another. Be there for one another. And I love y'all. We will see y'all next time. Bye-bye. Make you some up.